Well, here you go. I just pulled out the original trike. My first trike I got. It's the XP 500. XP1, first edition. I aired the tires up to 30 pounds. They were about, I think they were about probably 13 all the way around. And wow, what a battery difference from that 750. Big difference. I mean, this thing is nothing compared to that one. And this is the original battery that came with it. Yep, 48 volt, 672 watt. Yep, that's the original one. In good condition, because I keep my things that way. Gosh. On. Let's see if it comes on. Yep, this thing hasn't been charged in, I want to say 4 months. And it came right on. Let me put my phone up. Oh, doubt it fits. Yeah, it does. Yeah, because I took the hard case off, the shock mount case, and put just the regular one on. Let's see if it powers up okay. 1,154. Got full bars. Being that I changed the tire size on here, I'm sure there's close to probably 1,500. I changed it when I first got it. And I'm going to look up the date when I first purchased this. I saw somebody had bought one used and they didn't know what year it was made. So I'll look them up when these first came out. But you're seeing it from the start. This thing's been sitting for a while. Let's see. I'll go ahead and put it in 5. Let's put it in 4. Past 4. Let's go for a ride. See what it does. Yeah. Try and get this done before it rains. You know, I get out and ride just about every day. I just don't film it all the time. And this one's been pushed up in the garage and my 750's been blocking it, so I just pushed it out of the way and got this one out. I'll remind you, this hasn't been ridden in at least 4 or 5 months. 4 months, I want to say. And the battery's been sitting there for 4 months with a full charge on it, and it had a full charge on it when I just picked it up. Yeah, and that's 12.7, 13 miles per hour, 13.2. That's the max speed on these, which is getting you around pretty good. Fine by me. My other one does 17. I think it's going a little faster than that now. The tires are taller, so it's going to roll. Once it gets up to top speed, it's rolling more. We'll go right back here and ride this whole neighborhood just to see how this battery holds out. Being that it sat for 4 months. Real quiet still. Keeping my brakes maintenance cleaned. I clean them all the time. So many times we just hop on these things and want to ride, and let's go the original old way. This is about a 9-10 mile ride. And 13.7. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Bring my camera up, you can see the neighborhood. So many homes have been sold and bought in here. There's one for sale now. I hate to say it, but a lot of these people have moved here from other parts of the country, and they've moved down here in their retirement age, and I think there's about 3 of them pass away in this neighborhood, so that's a real shame because they've only been here a few years. Yeah, here we go. Wow. It's great riding this. How you doing, Paul? How's it going? We call this Deer Road because deer are all over here. I've had one run out in front of me and I wasn't filming at the time. Almost hit my front tire. There's usually rabbits over here to the right, turkeys up in the bushes. If you look at some of my old videos I filmed where an alligator was in this pond, a lot of the water's coming back, thank God. I don't see the gator. Gonna be some noise here with the tree crew. Yeah, this is about where that deer ran out in front of me. Right as I made around this corner. Hi there. What's so great about it, getting out on these trikes or bikes is, if you're doing 28 miles per hour, you're not really going to get everything in that you noticed and see. And I've wanted to go faster. My 750 does 17, and that's plenty enough for me. It actually gets scary around here when you go that fast on a trike. Even a bicycle. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. And you get to say hi to people. And you move your arms, you move your legs, you move your body. It helps your balance. It's great for your health. I don't have a phone in my hand or a remote control to a TV. And it's peace. And it's freedom. Is this the only freedom we have left as seniors? To jump on an electric bicycle, not tagged, titled, insured? If they say I have to do that, I won't do it. And I refuse. Nah. Now you look at some of the videos that I look at and you see the kids terrorizing the streets on the three-wheelers and the electric dirt bikes. And doing wheelies and all that. We did wheelies on our bikes, but we didn't terrorize neighborhoods as bad as these kids do on these other bikes. These newer ones. This is where I saw a really pretty turkey. He was right up in these bushes. What a beautiful turkey. Back here on my ride. Wow. Look at the stunning colors. He was right there. Let's stop for a minute, get a sip of water, and let you get a look. Tires are a little dirty. Rotor's in good shape, a little dirty. I see some grease and oil on them. There's the new chain I put on. That's holding out real well. Yeah. Brakes look okay. This is the trike I put the new bearings in, all 4 bearings. I have a video on how to do that. Everything's in good shape. Uh-oh. Is that thunder? I gotta go. Yep, I just heard thunder. Let's ride on a little bit more. Yes, I start with my legs. A lot of the winter damage is gone. That was a really bad winter we had here in Northeast Florida. We've had other freezes, but they only stayed like 1 or 2 days below 30 into the top 20s. The last one we had stayed in the 30s for a week. That's what hurt so many of these trees and shrubs. Although there's a lot of people that are plant savvy and plant the right things, the palms. Try not to plant certain plants that can't take the freeze. These freaking magnolias. You can pour gas on them and they'll live. I had 4 ginormous magnolias in my old front yard years ago. And I refused to rake those leaves up, so I mowed them. I mulched them, actually. It took me a long time. They're like a piece of wood. They're like a piece of bark. Just the leaf. And the dust. I can't believe, I look back at that now, I can't believe I used to do that. Ooh, I just saw a big turtle. That's good to see. Alligators eat all the turtles. I don't know, that storm's getting close. I've made friends with at least 3 or 4 people on this block. Just from riding around in here and talking to them. It's gotta be one of the best things you can do, is to get out and ride. I'm not pedaling a lot because of my knees. I have bad arthritis in my knees. People out walking, water bottle in one hand, phone in the other. Full bars. I should have tracked how many miles I've gone. I don't even think my miles are still at 157. That's odd. Oh no, I hear thunder. I'm turning around down here. Yeah, we got to get back. Yeah, we do. Yeah, there's the rain coming. Yeah, that storm moved over to the left. Yeah, still some more around. I'm gonna give it a chance, go the other way. Here we go, full bars. Like I say, I know we've gone at least 3 or 4 miles already. Just not reading it on here. Wind's coming straight at me and I'm still doing 13.4, 13.5 on here. You gotta remember, I'm 250 pounds, 6'1". The difference between this trike and the 750 is the 750 is much heavier than this little trike. Whoa. That wind's really slowed me down. Yeah, we're getting good, probably 10, 15 mile per hour winds through here. Nobody coming, I go. Yes, you can hear the springs in this seat. And I don't care, it's comfortable. It actually, when I move around on it, when I'm behind somebody, they can hear me. These bikes are so quiet. When you come up behind people walking, they can't hear you. I've actually done it on purpose not to startle them. If I'm in a close area where I got to ride next to them, I'm going to get back into the wind again, going the other way. This would probably be south. I think we're getting a southwest wind. Oh, there's another storm building right there. Clear over there, storm there. Florida. No blinker. No. Of course, you shouldn't have to on this little residential road, but I think I still do. I don't know. Somebody's behind me, I do. Everywhere else, I use my blinkers all the time. There's full sun, and of course I forgot my sunglasses. Oh boy, don't bark. Hi. Oh no. How are you? Some people done some painting here and there. Yeah, that yard was damaged bad. Looks like the rain went around me. Yeah, a lot of the palms have come back. Those were the bad ones there. They've come back. Need to be trimmed. There's some trimmings on the road. Plumbers, drains. Oh boy. Hey buddy. Hey guys. That was a good dog. He didn't care. I've lost a couple of bars. The battery's probably about 85% or 75. Oh, I got a haul butt. Let me get through here. Gotta go now. I'm getting rained on. Yep, here comes the rain. Whoa. Yeah, getting rained on now. Not bad. It's not a pouring rain. Wild, huh? Whoa! Went off the curb. Went off the sidewalk. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Just started raining as I got close.
It started thundering as soon as you left.
I know, I heard it. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the next one.